Hey, I'm Chris. I took apart my PS3. This is the Blu-ray drive. I'm putting it back together. There's ribbon cables and stuff like that. You just kind of... Here's a PS3. So you take it out.
So you kind of... What are you doing, Chris?
There's a flippy thing right here.
Chris,
you just
what are you
flip that
doing?
up very carefully.
Chris!
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 Here's the blue ribbon cable.
Chris.
Blue side up. Okay.
Stop!
Hey, I'm trying to...
Stop! I'm pretty sure it's a bomb in a Z-Box 370.
You take this blue cable, you put it in
Stop! Stop! Chris, I swear, I saw some guy that was brown looking-ish, give this to you, okay? I think he might be from Al Qaeda or something.
Alright, okay. Start with the power supply. So just like that. There
So you use the
Okay.
you take the blue wire, which you can find right. What happens if I rip that off?
You take this Blu-ray drive. See? Can you hear it? Probably something wrong with it. Okay. Actually, no. I'll get the other one.
What happens if I take this water bottle?
Nope. Nope.
And I try
Nothing. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Trust me, I've done it before.
I tried to
I've done it before. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Okay.
No.
No.
I tried to defuse the bomb or whatever. I tried to
Just
defuse the bomb.
stop,
Okay.
please. Just put the cap on. Take this. I have the PS3. I have it. Okay. Other Blu-ray drive. Already has the cable. Take the cable out. Alright, so then put it in sideways because it... You just put it in very tightly.
That's what she said.
Put it in, and then you snap that black thing on.
That's what she said.
It didn't. And then you kind of just put that there. Don't think you need to screw anything in just yet because top is cool.
That's what she said. And then
Nope.
you juggle.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, stop, please. Okay.
I'm a babysitter, so I think I know what I'm doing with children like you. Amateurs. Amateurs. Oh,
Right power supply. They make them cheaper.
Eat the pieces in the following manner.
No, you don't. No. No. Don't take. No, okay. No, okay. Okay.
Good for vegetarians.
Okay.
I can't digest that.
Okay. It's on like that. See, like power.
It can also be used as a hat
No, it can't.
for all-purpose
No,
occasions like
it doesn't.
your grandma's funeral,
No, it doesn't.
Your
Okay.
child's funeral.
Okay.
your
Okay.
puppy's funeral, and your brother's wedding.
Okay, so like I said before, cord goes in.
That's what she said. And then you're almost done because you had to
Already
fit
done.
this in there.
Already
to
done.
Make
This goes in
the
that one.
point of your video
Don't
is
make
to
a
make
point.
3
No.
sorts of engines. Is that an eraser?
So screws. There's 5. Hole right here. Hole right here. Hole here. Here and here. So just.
That's what she said.
Like-
Screw that. 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 Screw that.
Alright, and then you got the top. Other top. And you just put them.
That's what girls wear, tops. This is men's stuff. This is boxers. Joe boxers. See that? Product placement. Screw there, screw there, screw that, screw there.
Alright, yeah, and that's how you do it.
That's what she said! You just watch CP Comedy.